is Gray. Mm. They call me the Verdict. I'm the Verdict. Gray inside the Verdict. My name is Gray. There are reasons they call me Gray though. So before then, you know me. That's not why I'm here. I'm not here to introduce myself. I just want to say something about what I'm seeing on X. I see people trying to buy BTC, see a lot of buy setups on BTC, seeing Ethereum USD, love buy setups. But for me, from my perspective, which I might be wrong. So I just want to show you what I think about it, what's gonna happen next on BTC and Ethereum. I might do gold, but let's see how it goes. But let's just do BTC first. Oh no, let's start with Ethereum USD. I prefer that one. So firstly, going to the weekly time frame. Sorry. What do we have on the weekly time frame? As you can see, I'm marking this thing as this thing. Yes, that's this long week. Let me indicate that this long week here. There's a long week there. There's a long week. As you can see, let me take this out, please. You can see this long week thing, that candle week. That's a key level for me to why. First of all, the kind of strategy I trade is just key levels. Forget all those names that you're hearing. I might call it AKS, that's Advanced Key Level System. It's just a nickname, so they are all the same thing. So it's just like key level, the market broke structure, just a little small logic that you learned, major logic. We are expecting a push to the downside. Why? Because we got a break of structure. You get, so not just a push. So I'm expecting price to come in here. As you can see, price was reacting from this zone here. Yes, so that's where we are coming from. But as you can see, it's like a draw on liquidity too, because the market is currently coming down, creating highs and lows. We just reacted. Now we just approach another key level. I don't know if you understand. First off, we enter this one. Now we are reacting off of it. Now we are presently in this one. Now we should come down to another key level, and the key level that we should come down to should be something lower, something below this side at this point here. So that's it. I come again. We reacted off this one, then we got to this one. Now we are reacting back again. You get, so the reaction for this one has ended because we just approached another weekly key level at this point. So the weekly key level here now is, let me take this off. Okay, let me take this off. Okay, the weekly key level here now is this long week, because according to my studies, I know that these stuffs, you could even mark this one, but not advisable to make it neat. You're expecting price to react from that area or from that zone. So here is like a key level, and before I choose a key level, I'm advising my guys to okay, we need liquidity to for our key level. So this candle I can be a major weekly liquidity for us to temper price down from this zone down. At least we should target here. Remember I told you that you're going to take those lows down to another key level, fresh key level that we're expecting price. So we can target this key level, sorry, this low here. Yes, so that's for that. So now moving on to daily time frame. What do we have on daily time frame? We're already seeing our price is pretty rejecting. Remember that candle we marked? This is like a high that fueled liquidity there. So expecting more push to the downside. As simple as that. Maybe a little pull, then drop. So what do we have again? Let me zoom into the daily so we'll see what price is currently doing, so we can find entry positions to join the trades. So sorry I took that out, but sorry. So currently we're having this key level, because like I said, I trade key level. So we have this key level here at this point here. So this is like an open close key level for me, but it's all the same thing. Forget those names. They are all there's one guy, alchemist, he called this EMS. It's all the same thing. It's key level, open close key level, then normal key level. So market just broke it now. You see, these wicks can be breakout blocks in lower time frame, then these eyes can be other blocks in the lower time frame. So it's just basically the same thing. Now as you can see, price is reacting off this breaker block key level, but we cannot just jump in except we see confirmations. But just put in mind that this area is a zone that we could literally push price down to continue that motion to the downside to target that weekly low that we have. You see, long distance, you see. So moving on, we are not sure yet, so we go deeper to go and check what's happening. Looking at our 4 hour time frame, nothing really clear yet, so we go inside again, go inside more. Okay, as you can see here, if you should like bring in your line chart, I'm already seeing a break of structure already and a liquidity pool right in that zone that we marked. Here could be liquidity, then here could be a potential entry for us to join in from that zone that we marked. Here's our break of structure. Consider these as a break of structure. Yes, I know it did not break with the body, but here the market is currently at is a very strong level. So all we have to do right now is to maybe trade into it, because that means this trend is still much active. Break of structures, we need more break of structures. Need this, then maybe this, then take us to the key level, then tap in before the drops continue. So here do we have our liquidity? We have this high. Sorry, let me indicate with this high as our liquidity. These are POI. This is a break of structure, another break of structure. So we should expect a push to the upside before the drop down again. So that's just it. So let's turn on the candlestick chart back. So what do we have? We have a valid order block at the top of that place. We could potentially be a nice POI to join in from on that long-term trade, because that should be a long-term trade. So what do we have? We have a proper order block at the top of that place. So we'll patiently wait, then we'll see what price does, then see what price does. Okay, sorry guys, my mom was asking me something just now. So we have this valid order block at the top of that place. Please stay with me. This should explain a lot of this should do a lot of clarification, and you see more reasons why I'm trying to like buy to sell in this market right now. So it will take a little time to get to that point. So but surely what we're expecting should be this, then this drop to the downside. So you see, that's it. Then for now, what am I seeing on the higher time frame? I'm seeing a key level which was here potentially. I saw this kind of a sweep here. Let me take this out. I saw some kind of a sweep of this low. Sweep of this low made it stronger, reacting from this other block. That's one. Reacting from this other block. Yeah, this was the last setup I dropped in my Telegram channel. So right now the bot price up. Initially we were supposed to target liquidity, but we just left the thing to give us at least 6 hours. Then we came here, we have this key level here, and we have this first pullback there as liquidity. Here could be liquidity, then we have a sweep, we have a break, and you know what that means. We're expecting a push to the upside. Clear that liquidity, give us something nice, then we drop to continue price. It gets in that direction. So what do we have now? We just have our simple stuff. ABC, A break, C. You know the drill. You know the drill now. No need to explain that. Let's make it snappy. So what do we have? We go to a lower time frame, like 30 minutes time frame. As you can see, there's a nice other block that we just got tagged. So what are we expecting? Right now I'm expecting the price to like, okay, you give me something like this. Let's buy price up to clear that liquidity at least. That's like 6 hour trade. Looks very fair. And okay, so let's see how it goes. I'll drop the update on the trade. Let's see how it goes. So that's that. We expect the price to go to this zone and give us that push to the downside. For now, peace.